Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I still think it's extremely clear this is a wave A. I also think it's very clear this is a wave B, and I also think it's very, very clear that we are going up for a wave C. Now, I think it's also very clear this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, and it may possibly stretch out quite a bit more. It may not even be close to being over. If this really is a wave 3, it possibly will go up even higher than where it is right now before you actually see a wave 4 and a wave 5 of wave C. So going down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame we got a wave 1, we got a wave 2, and most likely this is a wave 3. We're not at a Fibonacci level, we don't have a lower high, we have no reason at all to think that this wave 3 is over as of yet, and I honestly think it wouldn't surprise me one bit if it actually went up to the 100% and maybe even beyond that before we did even start a wave 4. Going down to the daily time frame, even on the daily time frame, we have no lower high, we have no breaker structure to the downside, we have no Fibonacci bounce. We definitely are still in an uptrend, and I personally, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, would be doing nothing but looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, I mean, there is a possibility this could make an ABC down, like this is an A, this is a B, and it goes down for a C, but I really don't even think that's likely to happen. I mean, I think it's more likely this is probably just another correction within the uptrend. I definitely, especially when you're talking about the yen pairs, I'm doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs at the end of every single pullback I see. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where I think we may already have a wave A. This right here may already be a corrective wave B, and I still think this right here is a wave C. I believe that this ABC correction is most likely over, and I think this is more likely just to continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. I am definitely looking for 1, 2, 3-way pullbacks, especially on these yen pairs, every single chance I see to go long for the continuation of the uptrend, at least until I see some evidence on like the daily, preferably weekly time frame, that this is not in a big wave 3 anymore. I will be doing nothing but looking for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.